Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research guides and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the product service. In this video, we're taking a look at Northwestern Mutual, which can be found at northwesternmutual.com. Northwestern Mutual is a prominent financial services company offering a broad range of products and services, including life insurance, disability income insurance, long-term care insurance, and investment options like annuities and mutual funds. They focus on providing financial security and planning for individuals and families. Their website provides a wealth of resources and tools to help you explore your financial needs and make informed decisions. You can learn more about their various offerings, get quotes, and connect with a financial advisor directly through their platform. Northwestern Mutual emphasizes a personalized approach to financial planning, working closely with clients to develop tailored strategies for achieving their long-term goals. They've built a reputation for stability and strength in the financial industry. While they primarily cater to individuals and families, they also offer services for businesses, including employee benefits and retirement plans. Exploring northwesternmutual.com can be a good starting point for anyone looking to understand their financial options and create a plan for the future. They provide educational materials and interactive tools that can empower you to take control of your finances. Whether you're just starting out or already have established financial goals, Northwestern Mutual's platform offers a comprehensive resource for exploring your options. Remember, your financial journey is unique, so taking the time to research and connect with a professional is crucial.